Hello guys, I welcome you here with the interesting concept that is glands. Okay, let's see the glands definition and types and their specific kind of the hormones or substances secreted by the glands. Here, the definition of the glands is glands are specified organs or a group of cells that produces and secrete substances such as hormones, enzymes, sweat, saliva, etc. Okay, it is the general definition of your glands. Now, there are two types of glands are there. One is your exocrine gland, another one is endocrine gland. Now, first see the exocrine gland. So, exocrine glands are the glands which secretes the substances like enzymes, mucus, sweat, saliva or sebum through the ducts. Very important. We have to notice the word ducts. It means that exocrine glands are duct consisting glands, right? And next, to a specific site in the body. Yes, they are going to secrete their secretions like enzymes, like other substances, mucus or a sweat in the specified site, in the specified place. Okay, they having the targeted places in the body through where there only they are secreting their enzymes, substances, etc. So examples of that, we can see that example salivary glands which secretes the saliva and sweat glands which secretes the sweat, and next sebaceous glands which produces the very oily kind of one substance here. Next, mammary glands are also example of your exocrine glands. You know that mammary glands produces the milk, right? And now second type of glands are the endocrine glands, which are very important glands in the body which play a significant role in maintaining your body balance. Now which are they? What is the definition of that? And endocrine glands are ductless glands. Point to be noted here. Here I said that in the exocrine gland they consist in ducts and they are ductless. Got it? Ducts are absent here. There are ducts are present in the exocrine gland. Here ducts are absent. That's why they are called as ductless glands that secretes. Okay, that secretes hormones. Okay, a specific word is used here, not enzymes, substances, only just hormones. So that's why I said there are very important glands in the body, right? So here hormones directly into the bloodstream. It means that in this bloodstream only they are going to secrete their hormones. Now, which glands are example of your endocrine gland? They are the listed here. See here, pituitary gland and pineal gland, which is also called as epiphysis cerebri, and thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, thymus gland, adrenal or a suprarenal gland, pancreas, ovaries and testes. So guys, thanks for the watching.